the weather changing and the sun hopefully shining, Alana is making something tropical for us.
I am. Something that you can enjoy at a patio, enjoy for lunch, healthy and tasty.
What is it?
We are gonna go with a crispy oven-baked chicken.
Okay.
And we're pairing that with a tropical fruit salsa.
And the salsa looks amazing.
Thank you.
Let's get to it.
Let's get to it, okay. So do you remember shake and bake?
I love shake and bake. I don't care if it's bad for you, I love it.
This is gonna be a healthier version of shake and bake.
Okay.
Okay. And so you're gonna pick your favorite flaked cereal.
Okay.
We've got an all brand one here, so that more fiber, it's healthier.
Perfect.
You're gonna take some.
It may be the only way that I eat all brand cereals on my chicken.
I'm gonna take some roasted flax seeds.
Perfect.
And roast it so that the omega-3s come out of it, and your body can digest it.
So when the flax seeds get heated to a certain temperature, they pop. And
That's
it releases the oils that way.
You're gonna zip up your bag, you're gonna grab a rolling pin.
Yes.
And you're gonna crush the cereal.
Perfect. Any seasoning in that at all, or?
Not in this part here. No, we'll season the chicken, and this works with fish as well.
Okay.
Tofu if you're not eating meat.
Yeah.
Next
I
thing.
actually like coated tofu.
So do I,
Yeah.
especially if it's crispy. Next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna grab a chicken breast and watch like this. You're gonna cut it in half.
Oh, perfect.
Okay, so that it makes it shorter time in cooking. You are going to.
Is that the only reason why you did that?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, it makes even cooking and more crispy crust.
Got it.
Yeah, and then from here we're gonna get a little bit of flax oil.
And does the flax oil help your allergies?
I know, right?
Tell us allergy
Summertime and
season
it's
for
allergy
Atlanta.
season. I haven't noticed.
Poor Alana.
We're gonna coat the chicken breasts in the oil, and that's what's gonna help our breading stick. And we are also going to season the chicken.
So, would that be the equivalent of like an egg wash? The oil?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, but with an egg wash, you're gonna want egg, you're gonna want flour, and then you go back into the egg again
Sure.
before you go to the batter.
Yeah.
This will actually make everything stick to the chicken without such a heavy crusting. And
Okay.
all it is the good, wholesome fiber crust.
Now, would it also eliminate the step of having to spray or coat your pan as well, I suppose?
Yes.
Okay.
And so from here, we're gonna drop the chicken into the bag.
Beautiful.
We're gonna keep that because it's got the
Oh, right, you're gonna cook it right on
oil
top.
on it. You're gonna trap a little bit of air in here,
Yeah.
and then you're gonna shake.
Yummy.
And then you'll bake.
And I literally, like the end result, and I'm always like skeptical because putting stuff that thick on it, it never sticks on.
It
that
never
sticks.
sticks.
On.
That sticks on. Yep. So just like
Nicely.
that. And then into an oven at about 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 8 to 10 minutes, depending on how thick or thin you got your chicken breasts.
Perfect.
Okay, so that can get put away.
Perfect. Put that in here.
Perfect. Onto the fruit salsa. And so what we have in our bowl here is small diced jalapeno peppers. Gives it that peppery freshness. Take the seeds out if you don't want it spicy.
Okay.
Cherry tomatoes. We've got kiwi, mango, pineapple. I'm gonna add a bit of fresh lime juice.
I love that. It looks so beautiful.
It's fresh, inviting. Yeah. And then we are going to, so this is where the tropical is in all the fruits. Add a pinch of salt, maybe a little bit more. We're gonna go with a chili flavored flax oil for this one.
Okay.
And I kept the seeds out of it, of the jalapeno, so that would be okay.
Is it very spicy, the oil?
It's got a little smokiness to it.
Okay.
And then we're gonna grab some fresh dill.
I love dill. I love this time of year having my own little herb garden out on my balcony or the patio or wherever your backyard. And being able to go out to the backyard and just grab handfuls
pick
of
what
stuff.
you need.
I miss that when it's winter and fall
when it's
time.
cold, absolutely. A little bit of fresh mint.
Beautiful. See, I have a massive mojito plant.
garden.
I don't even call it a mint plant, it's called my mojito plant. And the kids love it in their slushies and smoothies as well.
Oh,
I love
it's
mint.
so yummy. Even just a little bit in a juice.
I love
delicious.
it. I love it.
We're gonna give this a good mix. It's fresh, it's
We
vibrant.
talked about this before. Having oil in your salsas or your fruit-based salads gives it an amazing mouth texture.
Mouth texture, and it makes the flavors come together a lot more too, in my opinion. And so we're ready for plate.
Beautiful.
So we'll
Look
take
at this. Can I move this over here? Do you mind?
Oh, please do.
I'm gonna put this right in front of you.
Of course.
So we can get all of that on camera.
Thank you.
That looks so
Perfect.
amazing.
So we'll go 1 chicken, we'll go 2 chicken.
And really, that's just one breast.
That's
'cause
just
you
one breast.
sliced it.
That's right. And so dinner
Yeah.
portion, it's great. If it's lunch, stick with half of one.
From a diet perspective, I think you're kind of tricking your mind too that you're getting a lot more food than you actually are as well.
That's right. And
if you want this tropical delight, go online to our website or Alligga's and you can have this amazing summer dish. Thanks, Chef.
You're welcome.